What's up guys, welcome to the video. So I am still in California. Hopefully you guys checked out my expo video. It was a great weekend. It was cool to catch up with some familiar faces that I haven't seen in a long time. But yeah, still out here in California, currently raining, but beats snow any day. So I'm gonna head up to Hollywood right now, and I'm in this sweet little, well, not so sweet, it's pretty sweet. It's a little Hyundai rental car. Yeah, this thing is freaking tiny, but it's gonna get the job done. I decided since I'm gonna be out here for a bit, I'm just gonna rent a car and I'm gonna go where I wanna go, when I wanna go, and do what I wanna do. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna travel around, cruise around, train, skate, do it all. Right now I'm gonna head up to Hollywood to meet up with some friends. I'll show you guys who I'm meeting up with once I do get there, so you guys have no choice but to wait. So if you stick around, you'll see who I meet up with and what I do. Stay tuned for a fun day. Hello, Hollywood. Damn, she bad.
What's going on, guys? We are out here doing some squats. No one showed up, but guess what? Nick is here, and that's all that matters. I'm about to crush some ice cream in a few hours, and I might make Nick partake in this with me. It's gonna be pretty amazing. And it's actually raining outside, but you know what? It's gonna be a good time anyway, so stay tuned for that. This is lightweight for you. Hashtag keto life. Let's get it. Easy. It's time for a refeed tonight.
Alright guys, so that was a pretty good workout. I did some squats. My strength is coming back. I did 4 sets of 285 for 6, and then on my final set I just did an AMRAP and did 10. So that's a pretty good increase, and again, this is all with no carbs, doing keto life, so I'm adapting, getting fat adapted, and my strength is coming back. So Eric just went to Walgreens to pick up some lactate pills to help with the digestion of lactose, because he's going to be doing a 7-pound Sunday challenge at this place called Fair Oaks in Pasadena. And I actually used to live in Pasadena with like Steve Berra and a bunch of the other kids, so I'm pretty familiar with the area. I actually used to walk past that Fair Oaks pharmacy place all the time when I would walk to Sprouts to get groceries. I'm gonna go cheer him on. Should I try it? 7 pounds, that's a lot of ice cream. So, I don't know. The challenge is meant for 2 people, so Eric's gonna be taking it on by himself. I may try it. I don't know. That's a lot of ice cream, and that's not very Hashimoto friendly or Candida friendly, but I don't know. Should I do it? Yeah, no, maybe, we'll see. Listen to that baby purr. Alright guys, so we made it to Pasadena, and these are my old stomping grounds. I used to walk up and down the street from where I live to like the grocery store, listening to podcasts, so I spent a good amount of time around here. So on the ride up here, I decided that I'm not going to do the challenge. Putting dairy and tons of sugar in my body, like 7 pounds of ice cream, is probably not the best thing for me right now, as I am battling Hashimoto's and I do have Candida, and I'm currently doing a antimicrobial protocol, so I don't want it to screw anything up. I'm gonna do more challenges later on, but putting 7 pounds of dairy in my belly is not a good idea. So I came here to cheer on my boy Eric, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. He's gonna crush this. All right, so we have arrived and Eric is here. He's ready. You ready for this challenge?
I'm ready.
Cool, hell yeah. And we also have Mr. Brian Turner with us.
Yep, I'm about to watch this kid have a hard time, man.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good time.
Yeah, right.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. Right?
That's pretty epic in here.
They have food too if you want to get food.
Hi guys.
Howdy.
The man.
What's up, sir? How was your thing? You feel fit?
How you doing?
I know that guy. Brian, how you doing?
Good.
Nick, man. How are you? Yeah.
It's still for you.
Yeah.
How are you looking, Eric?
No.
Alright. There we go, yeah.
Real talk though, I might actually have you, like, I'll be within the first 5 minutes, I'll know if I'm gonna be able to realistically do it, so get your spoon ready.
Okay.
Hey everybody, this is Randy Santel, Atlas with Atlas and Zeus Promotion, the proud owner of Food Challenges, dompierre.com. Very, very excited tonight. Another challenge with a whole bunch of people involved. I'm going for overall win number 576 and my last of the trip in Southern California. I'm here in South Pasadena, California. I am at Fair Oaks Pharmacy. We are all taking on their kitchen sink Sunday challenge. Now, this is a team challenge. I've got for my teammate, we've got Raina. You've already watched her on 2 of our videos so far. And then over here, we've got Mr. Natter, Freak Eating. He is teamed up with, everybody knows, Mr. Magic Mitch. And then over here, we've got Mr. Eric the Electric, who's actually going to be going solo for this thing, trying to finish it all by himself. But here, this kitchen sink Sunday, there are 8 massive softball-sized scoops. We went with 8 different flavors, and I think everyone else did too. But there also had to be 8 toppings. We went with pretty much 8 other toppings as well. I think we doubled up on strawberries. Tried to get a lot of fruit in here to be healthy, because everybody's got bananas and then cherries, whipped cream, sprinkles, and peanuts on top. But we've got 30 short minutes to finish this challenge. If we fail, it's going to be about $40. But if we win, we're going to get the massive sundaes free. We will each get sweet t-shirts, and our team photos will be added up on the Wall of Fame. Along with all this ice cream, each person had to finish either a regular cold water or 2 warm waters. I myself got 2 warm waters. Everybody's kind of in the mix, but mostly people got warm water to combat all the brain freeze from this ice cream. But let's shut up and eat. 1, 2, 3, boom.
Finish some ice cream.
Let's go, Randy. Good luck, guys. Good luck.
There it is.
Thank you for keeping that off.
That is not a scoop.
You got it, dude. You got it.
Oh yeah. Yeah. 8.5 minutes. That is the new record for the Kitchen Sink Sunday Challenge here at Fair Oaks Pharmacy. What'd you think of it?
It's so good. I
Oh,
love it.
yeah, we didn't get to enjoy it. We may have a scoop after, but the scoops we had were awesome. I'll talk about those here in a second, but now we've got the other teams going. They still have over 20 minutes, so let's go, guys. Yes. 11 minutes and 15 seconds. We got Eric the Electric, who's still trying to get it down by himself.
Beast.
By himself.
That beast, man.
He's 10.5 minutes in. He's just got a little bit left. I think he's got his coffee or his waters or whatnot, but Eric is dominating. Let's go, Eric. He does love carbs. So he's getting it down.
There you go. Drink it. Oh.
I think that's about good.
Yeah.
Water. What waters are they wanting you to have?
Just these 2.
Those 2. This last bit of
I've
ice.
done a lot of stupid stuff in my life.
You challenge gods.
Huh?
Why not just give me extra ice cream?
Gonna give him a good shot to the stomach.
You got it, dude.
Come on, Eric. You
Eric, you got already knocked it out.
got it, brother.
Very good.
This is not going out.
Hey, you got it. Good effort, brother. Good effort. You got
That's a very valiant effort.
Yeah.
You got all of it down except for just one drink. And then remember, it was a team challenge. and Eric dominated it the entire thing
Yes.
and almost got it. So very good job, Eric. Luckily, he lives here in Southern California. He's able to come back and try it again.
Right on.
Very good job. And then, so yeah, thank you to Eric for doing these challenges with us. He did that team pizza a couple days ago. Big thanks to our friends Natter and Raina for meeting up with us for the challenges. Team Magic Mitch and Natter, they both got theirs for free. Raina and I got ours for free. We will all get sweet t-shirts to add to our collections and will be added up on the Wall of Fame. And then Mr. Eric the Electric, he will be back to get up on the Wall of Fame as well. So thank you guys all. We appreciate you coming.